Hi and hello to you. In this video, we'll see how to use the iOS application FirstFireAlert. First, let us see what this application is all about. FirstFireAlert is an application that converts your iPad into your home's fire alert system. On detecting smoke or fire at home, the fire alarm installed in your home starts ringing. If you are at home, you hear the ringing fire alarm sounds and react accordingly to stop the fire. But what if you are away from home when the fire alarm starts ringing? You will not hear the warnings sounded by the ringing fire alarm bell installed in your home if you are away from home. Therefore, you cannot do anything to minimize the risks of possible fire hazards if you are away from home. FirstFireAlert is the first application to provide an automatic technique to communicate the warning of ringing fire alarm sounds immediately from your iPad kept at home to your phone while you are away from home. So we can see the FirstFire application installed in the iPad kept at home communicates an alert to our phone while we are away from home. On hearing the fire alert on our phone, you can take the necessary steps to stop the fire hazards. The FirstFireAlert uses Line 2 application of iPad to communicate to the alert to the Line 2 application of your phone. When the home fire alarm starts ringing, the FirstFireAlert application initiates a Line 2 call from your iPad to your phone's Line 2 number to alert you. Notice you need FirstFireAlert application installed in your iPad and Line 2 application installed in both your iPad as well as your phone. First, understand this video fully and then follow the steps exactly as mentioned in this video. So let us see step 1, which is the installation. As you already see, we have installed the FirstFireAlert application on our iPad. Also, you need to install and sign up for a free Line 2 account on both your iPad as well as your phone. The Line 2 application can be downloaded free of cost for both your iPad and your phone. After signing up, you will get your iPad's Line 2 number and your phone's Line 2 number. After installing the applications, we move on to the next step, which is step 2, saving Line 2 phone number in the FirstFireAlert application. So, we will enter phone's Line 2 number in the text box of the FirstFireAlert application. In my case, the Line 2 phone number of my phone to be entered in the text box of the FirstFireAlert application is 61760064110. After entering my Line 2 phone number of my phone in the text box of the FirstFireAlert application, I will press the Save button. Moving on to the next step, which is step 3, the test mode. This step needs to be performed only once for the first time use. Make sure that the iPad is kept at home and has Wi-Fi connected, and the phone which you take away with you while you go away from home has internet connected at all times while using the FirstFireAlert application. Place your iPad at a convenient place below one of the actual fire alarm installed in your home and start ringing the actual fire alarm installed in your home at its peak volume. So let me start the fire alarm installed in my home. Immediately thereafter, press the Start Application button. Let the fire alarm keep ringing and leave the application running till a call initiates automatically from your iPad, which has Wi-Fi connected, to your phone, which has internet connected. We are now waiting for a line to call to initiate automatically from our iPad to our phone to alert us about the fire alarm sounds ringing in our home. So we can see a line to call has initiated automatically from our iPad to our phone to alert us about the fire alarm sounds ringing in our home. So let me answer this call. That means it is alerting us on our phone about the fire alarm sounds ringing in our home. On getting the fire alert on our phone, we can take the necessary steps to stop the fire hazards in our home. So let me end this call. If a line to call had not initiated automatically from the line to application of the iPad to the line to application of our phone, then we need to redo the step 3 till a call initiates automatically from the iPad to your phone. In our case, the line to call had initiated automatically from our iPad to our phone. So we move on to the next step, which is step 4, the use mode. This step 4, use mode, shows how we actually use this FirstFireAlert application when we go away from home. So when we go away from home and if the fire alarm starts ringing in our home, we want the fire alarm sounds alert to be communicated from our iPad to our phone to alert us. Let us see how we use this application. Always make sure that the iPad is kept at home and has Wi-Fi connected and your phone has internet connected while using the FirstFireAlert application at all times. While leaving home, launch the FirstFireAlert application. On pressing the Start Application button, we see that the mode has changed to Use mode in the text box of the FirstFireAlert application. This means that this FirstFireAlert application is now ready to use. Leave the application running while you are away from home. If the fire alarm installed in your home starts ringing, the application FirstFireAlert initiates a line to call automatically from the iPad to your phone to alert you. So let me see if this works. I will start the fire alarm sounds in my home. I am now waiting for the line to call to initiate from my iPad to alert me on my phone. So again, we can see the line to the FirstFireAlert application alerts us by using line to application of our iPad to our by calling to our phone's line to number to alert us. On getting the fire alert, we can take the necessary steps to stop the fire hazards in our home. So let me answer this call. So you can hear the fire alarm sounds ringing in your home on your phone. So we are alerted by using the FirstFireAlert application about the fire alarm sounds ringing in our home successfully. So let me end this call. In another case, if there are no fire alarm sounds ringing in our home when we using the FirstFireAlert application, then there will be no call alert from the iPad to our phone. Let us verify this. So we again launch the FirstFireAlert application on our iPad and then press the Start Application button. So we are ready to use the FirstFireAlert application and we leave our home. Now in this case, because there is no actual fire alarm ringing in our home, there will be no line to alert call from your iPad to your phone. The application FirstFireAlert will keep running as it is till you return home. On returning home, press the stop button to stop the FirstFireAlert application. Using the FirstFireAlert application. The FirstFireAlert application must be kept running on iPad kept at home while you go away from home, as described in step 4, which is the use mode. The application FirstFireAlert needs Wi-Fi connected on your iPad kept at home and internet connected on your phone. This FirstFireAlert application is not foolproof and is not a substitute for a responsibility. Have fun using the FirstFireAlert application and thank you for watching this video.